please understand it's more than just this.
Yes. People really love when we get exotic animals. I think it's not a huge niche. Obviously, not as many people have snakes than they do as dogs, but there are some very passionate people out there who do and know that we take them in. So we honestly, when we get them in, they go so fast. It happens very, very quickly. And we see it goes in lulls. Sometimes we see a lot of different exotics. Like there was a time when we kept getting sugar gliders.
Yes, I've been to the Repticon conventions and seen them there. They're cute.
They're very cute.